My name is Rodrigo Lima, and I've been designing products for about 20 years now. From concept development, 3D modeling, mechanical and electrical engineering, blueprinting, prototyping, and manufacturing products. We've been doing this for a little over 20 years now, and it's what we love to do here at Lime Design. Today, we're going to talk about some of the most frequently asked questions, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to do it more podcast style so that it's a more natural conversation. I think it's just going to be more enjoyable, and it's an easier transfer of knowledge. And my goal is to really help educate everybody that is looking to bring ideas to life. And whether we do work together or not, by you watching my videos, I want you to gain something from it. So the goal is to get multiple ideas out there in the market, not just to do one product. So I want to give out as much free information as possible to help people really get their ideas out there into the real world. To do this, we've set up a couple different categories for our frequently asked questions. And we're going to bring in different specialists like attorneys for intellectual property, business consultants, marketing specialists, and really so that the entrepreneurs that we work with have a really well-rounded idea of the services that we provide and the process that it takes for them to get from A to Z. So we look forward to sharing this information with you through the course of these podcasts. We're going to check out really quickly and just talk about the categories here that we're going to be discussing. So we break it down into general questions, patenting, product development, manufacturing, engineering, marketing, product design, and prototyping. And also we want to have an open conversation with people in our audience. If you have a question, reach out to us. We might just make a special video for you. So we look forward to sharing our content with you guys. If you know anybody that would benefit from this, you know how it is. YouTube has their algorithms, so kindly subscribe and share, and that'll help us get our information out to more people. All right, guys, thank you so much, and follow below.